Did you know you can turn ChatGPT into your personal study system? Instead of writing long prompts to get something specific, you can use simple commands and make ChatGPT work in completely different ways. You can turn one idea into a visual guide, organize information, map out your thoughts, create something you can use for revision, or even quiz yourself. This ChatGPT trick is absolutely crazy. Let me explain. Let's start with the first command. It is called cheat sheet. Go to a new chat in ChatGPT and select create image and type /cheat sheet followed by your topic. I will write the birth of first human civilization on planet Mars. Here is a bonus tip. If you add 16 to 9 after your prompt, ChatGPT will create a wide image and 9 to 16 will create a vertical image. And look at the result. It turns a simple one-line topic into a detailed visual cheat sheet with timelines, important milestones, resources, key concepts, and illustrations. So whenever you have a complex topic and want to understand or revise it quickly, remember this command. The next one is X-ray. This command lets you see what is normally hidden, giving you a detailed look at the internal structure and components of something. It can reveal how different parts are arranged inside while still keeping the overall shape and context visible. Whenever you want to see inside something and understand its internal structure, use the command X-ray. Next one is flashcards. This command turns any topic into a set of question and answer cards, making it much easier to break down information and remember the important points. It takes a topic and divides it into small, easy to recall pieces, so you can test yourself instead of simply reading through the information. So whenever you want to study, revise, or test your knowledge on a topic, use flashcards. Next one is blueprint. This command is for understanding how something is built or how it works. For example, I will ask how the ancient Egyptians really built the pyramids. This one goes deeper. ChatGPT breaks the whole system apart and shows you how each piece connects to the rest. So if you want to visually understand the structure, components, or construction of something, use blueprint. Next one is mind map. This command is great when a topic has multiple concepts, processes, or relationships that are difficult to understand when presented as plain text. So whenever you want to visualize the structure of a complex topic and see how the ideas connect, use mind map. Next one is handwritten. This one turns a topic into handwritten style study notes, making the information feel like something you would write in your own notebook. It can organize the content into sections, examples, comparisons, diagrams, and even questions for revision. So whenever you want to turn a topic into visually engaging handwritten notes for studying or revision, use handwritten. Try these commands with your own topics and you will be surprised to see what ChatGPT can create from just one line. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.